I'm Atomy curator Sunju Lee. What do you look for when you are not feeling well? From a young age to now as an adult, I used to look for herbal medicines when I felt weak. Because of the good effects of herbal medicines, I often think that many people, like me, may seek it. However, the ingredients of these good herbal medicines, wouldn't it be great if we could apply it to our hair and scalp as well? With that thought in mind, research after research was conducted and Atomy's absolute hair care products were born. Boost hair growth with herbal medicine. Be assured with natural ingredients, like such a slogan. Because it is made with really good herbal medicine ingredients that we care so much, it was possible to create a product that can solve hair loss prevention, hair protection, and a healthy scalp all at once. The reason why it was able to have this differentiated function from other products is in the ingredients. Let me explain by comparing. Let's say that we want to drink strawberry juice. Between juice filled with strawberries and juice with just a bit of strawberry and mainly flavored with syrup, which of these two would you choose? Atomy Absolute Hair Care products are like juice filled with strawberries. Because we generously added such good, complex herbal ingredients, it can help alleviate symptoms of hair loss, which we are worried about. Because there are many good ingredients, you may be worried that it might be irritating. Since it is made of milder and safer ingredients, you can use it with ease. With a luxurious upgraded usability, those of you who have probably used it will say it's quite catchy. You'll get such a feeling. Among these distinct advantages, what is particularly noteworthy is that it is a functional product for alleviating hair loss symptoms. While we have to work and make a living, we can't really avoid stress. There are also changes in the body due to irregular eating habits. Among them, when our thick hair starts falling one by one, it deeply saddens us. Healthy scalp and hair loss symptom alleviation. Secret ingredients are now revealed. The first secret ingredient is herbal nutrient water. To facilitate hair growth and prevent hair loss, according to Dongui Bogam, good ingredients such as Angelica gigas, peony, and Angelica sinensis, carefully managed and selected. It was made with condensed herbal water. This herbal water boosts the blood circulation of the scalp and makes the scalp very healthy, so you can get help in alleviating the symptoms of hair loss. The second secret ingredient is ginseng modan. Traditional herbal decoction methods and unique fermentation methods. 10 complex herbal ingredients are extracted from high-temperature water, so it was produced. It helps remove various harmful external factors that cause scalp problems, blocking the scalp pores. The third is chrysanthemum. Also, 8 kinds of herbal ingredients are used in a traditional manufacturing method. It was created by extracting through high-temperature water. When there is a lot of heat in the scalp, it helps to keep the scalp healthy by dispersing the qi and blood well, promoting blood circulation. The last component is deep sea water. 7 kinds of medicinal ingredients are extracted at a pressure of 10,000 meters below sea level. It absorbs good ingredients deep into the scalp, boosts blood circulation, and helps prevent hair loss while promoting hair growth. Because it is a non-silicone product, good nutrients are delivered to the hair and scalp as it is after rinsing. It was also nice to be able to maintain the moist volume, free from harmful ingredients such as paraben and ethanol. Only ingredients that can be trusted according to EWG standards are included, which was really good. Among Atomy Absolute Hair Care products, the first thing used is shampoo. Large and small bubbles create a dense and rich foam. It freely removes waste from our scalp and hair. They are thoroughly removed without leaving a residue. It can help alleviate the symptoms of hair loss because it eliminates waste neatly. And because it used ingredients extracted from malt, it contains no artificial colors. Feels like using it naturally. That was good too. After shampooing, it is important to recover damaged hair with the treatment. For damaged hair, it penetrates healthy nutrients with natural protein. Also, with cationic surfactant, you can even feel the hair trimming effect. Finally, use the conditioner, coating the hair from external contamination. so it protects the hair and makes it shiny. Am I able to change my rough hair to soft, silky hair? In my case, because of the broadcast, I do a lot of fixing with hairspray. Then my hair becomes like a scrubber, and it's often stiff. Then gently treat your hair with Atomy conditioner. It's amazing how the hair that I can't get my hands on is getting softer and unraveling. I thought, is this the power of herbal medicine? After using shampoo and treatment, it's very refreshing. There's even a subtle but not overdone herbal scent. If you try this, you will feel it exactly. I got some very important information. What is it? Even among researchers who develop hair care line products, Atomy's hair care products are so popular. Why? They are amazed by the ingredients. Second, it is because of the usability. That is why Atomy Absolute hair care products, they are bound to be popular. You all have a lot of worries about hair care, right? Now, with the power of herbal medicine, let's blow away all the worries about the hair all at once. Get started right now. Thank you. I am Atomy curator Sunju Lee.